Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn your PDF to Word document without losing format. So if you have tried opening your PDF directly into Word document, then you may see that a lot of changes is done and it really loses the format. So what I'm going to do is head over to Google at first and search for I love PDF like so, and then click on enter, and then this first one that comes up, just click on this one. From here you'll see a bunch of other options here. All I'm going to do is just click on PDF to Word, click on this one, and from here you're going to select any of the PDF file that you have. And then from there, if I click on convert to Word, this entire thing will be converted into a Word document without losing any kind of format. And I'll just click on download Word like so, and it says transaction details. As you can see, a Microsoft Word. Just click on save, and once I press enter on it, you'll see that this is inserted just like how it was in the PDF without losing any format, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.